Hey, what's up, you guys? Figured I was standing out here on the porch taking this storm in, and I know you can't really see anything, but at least you can hear it. The light over there, that's actually the light on the studio, so I'm on my front porch, but this is a really nice storm. I kind of saw it on the radar coming through a little while ago. I didn't really think it would get us because it seems like they never do, but my God, I love me a thunderstorm. Of course, they're a lot better, if you're not alone. Good weather for lovers. But, unfortunately, my lady is in New Jersey until next week. She would absolutely love this. I remember there was a time not long ago, well, you can't see it, but I was sitting over here on the railing, and it started to rain, and she grabbed hold of me and said, "Come here." Didn't really know what the hell was going on, but she dragged me out onto the ramp. I have a wheelchair ramp in front of the house. Not because I'm old, but because I was here when I moved in. And she dragged me out there onto the ramp and kissed me in the rain and said I always wanted to do that. So, it was just kind of one of those times that you don't ever forget, because as far as I can remember, and I know I'm old and everything, but I think that was my first kiss in the rain too, so yeah, this is one hell of a good storm. Just kind of come out of nowhere, really. We hadn't had rain all day, not in a few days, and now this, so I couldn't be happier. Well, and I could be happier because, like I said, thunderstorms are a lot better if your partner's with you. But good things come to those who wait, yeah? Look at that. Is that a UFO? Holy shit, we're not alone. Well, the wind is starting to blow this shit right in here on the porch, so I'm getting soaked. So I hope y'all have a good night, and I'll catch y'all soon.